Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how to use Facebook. It's a very broad topic like using Facebook because Facebook have many functions like you can post on Facebook, you can see other people's posts, you can make a social contact with other person. Like Facebook have very big marketplace or a very big social networking, and also it called a social networking app. So, how to use Facebook? If you are new to Facebook, do not know to use Facebook. So, in this video, I will teach you how to use Facebook. Simply open your browser and then open your Facebook account. For opening your Facebook account, first you have to open Facebook tab. So, write facebook.com in the search bar. In this, after writing facebook.com, you have been press enter to opening this tab. When the Facebook tab will open, in the upper section you see email or phone and password option. So write your email which you have and write password for it. After writing the password, you have simply click on login option. Okay, when you click on login option, your Facebook account has been opened. So in first step, I have to show you how to add people in your Facebook account. If you have any friend and you know the name of your friend or Facebook account, simply write the name of your friend and press enter. After pressing the enter, all names which are available in the Facebook are appear. So find your friend and click on add friend option. After click on add friend option, your friend request has been sent to your friend. And when your friend has see your friend request, he have to accept your friend request by pressing on this option. And here you can see that accepted requests. So these people have accepted my requests. So I can add people by this menu. So here are the people you may know. Here are the people like Facebook suggests these people. So here are the all people which Facebook have uh, been suggested to me that I have know these all people. So if I know these people, so I click on add friend option and the other people are able to accept my friend request. So in the second tab, you can see the messages option. Here are the messages like it is the inbox of your chats. And here the bell icon. Bell icon means the notification of your Facebook account. Like if you like any page or if your friend post on his Facebook anything, so you received a notification from his side. And if your friends have any birthday option, birthday, so you can see the Facebook notification of his or her birthday. And if you want to post anything in on your Facebook account, here you see a create post option. So write your post like I am feeling. So I write this post, and if I want to tag someone in my post, I simply click on tag friends option and write the name of my friend. And here the suggestion of my friend. So I tag any of my friend in this post. So if I want to add some photo or video in this post, so I click on this option and simply go to my pictures and add any picture which I want on my Facebook account. So if I feel, I also add my feelings by clicking on, like you can see that the option of feelings and celebrating. So I click on happy. If I feeling happy, like I click on happy option. If I feel blessed, if I feel loved, sad, and anything, so I add anything on my Facebook account. So after adding these things, I simply click on my post option and this post has been added on my Facebook account. So then when I press the post option, so you can see that a post have been added on my Facebook account. So simply click on my profile option and here you can see that my profile, the post has been added. And if I want to see my friends, like how much friends have, so click on friends option and here are all my friends which I added. I also see the photos which I have been added on my Facebook account. Here are the all photos which I have added on my Facebook account. Here you can see that chat option. Simply click on chat option. Here are your friends which you have been added. If any friends have been online, so you can see the green dot option in front of your friend name, and you are know that your friend have been online or not. So here my friend and and in the front side it have been 8H. It means that my this friend have been online 8 hours ago and that this friend is online 7 minutes ago. And if there in 7M have green dot, so I have been know that my friend is online at that time. So I hide this tab also. Turn off chat tabs. If I turn off chat tab, the chat tab has been turned off. So in this home menu, when you are go to your news feed, here you can see that many option how to how to use Messenger. So if I want to use Messenger, I simply click on Messenger option and my Messenger have been open. Here are the shortcuts of my pages, my games, and my groups, everything. So I can simply click on shortcuts as shortcuts and I open my Facebook pages and groups. In the explore option you can see that your groups, pages, events, memories and click on see more and here you can find games, friend list, saved item, gaming video, jobs, recent and activity, weather, offer, recommendation, crisis response, find friends. Here are all the options which are available in Facebook. Like if I click on the saved item, here are all the saved items which I have saved in my Facebook account. If you want to save anything in your Facebook account, so find a post and then here you can see the three dot. Clicking on three dot, you have in the top of the list you can see that save post option. Simply click on save post option and the post has been saved. So if you want to see this post in future, simply log into your Facebook account and after logging into Facebook account, simply click on save item in the news. And here you can see that the post is available. Like see that. So if you want to make your Facebook group, simply click on groups option and here you can see that create group option. Simply click on this and you are able to create your Facebook group. And if you want to make book page, simply click on page option and here you can see that create page option in the right side and you simply click on create page. And after clicking on create page, here are two options like business or brand, community or public figure. You can simply create the Facebook page if you want your page as a business. So click on the get started option in the lower of business or brand and if you want your page like a public figure or community page, so click on this get started option. Here you can see that you can edit your profile by simply clicking on this option. Here you add some pictures for your Facebook account. And if you want to view your Facebook account, like how other people are able to your Facebook, looking your Facebook account, simply click on view as option. After clicking on view as option, here you can see that this tool lets you see what your profile look like to the public. Remember things that you hide from your timeline still appear in useful and other places on Facebook. Press OK. Here you can see that this is what your profile look like to public. Like it is a way the public which look like. Like I hide my Facebook messages. Like no other public cannot send me messages. So you can see that message option is unavailable. But I allow the people to add me in your Facebook. So add friend option is available. So get back to your if I will get back to your my original profile, so I simply cross this menu and my original site Facebook is open. So I can edit my about information, like in the about section I add my workplace, add a school or university, add your current city, add your hometown, add a relationship. And in the work and education tab, I add my workplace. Like simple things are in this menu. I also add details, like I also add my nickname, birth name, and write something, some detail about yourself. Add your favorite questions, quotations, and learn about becoming a blood donor of Facebook. This topic is so broad because in this video I teach you that how to use Facebook. And how to use Facebook is a very broad topic because Facebook have many things. So if I all day explain this topic, maybe this topic is not being covered all. So I only teach you some special things, like here you can see the story option. And you can see your friends' stories which they are added on his account. In this way, you can host a watch party for your friends, or in the watch party, you can see the shows, live TV channels, or save videos, anything. Like here, you can see that everything are available. In this menu, you have been opened your settings for your Facebook account. Here you can general settings, you can change your name, you can add your username, contact information, add account contact, manage account identity confirmation. You can, if you want to deactivate your Facebook account, you can deactivate your Facebook account by manage account option. Security and login. Here are the security. You can change your password or you can save your login information, like I have saved my Facebook login information. So here are the settings like privacy. You can add privacy on your Facebook account. Like if you want to Facebook as a public, you can simply click on edit option and click on and after clicking on the public option, and your public are being able to see your future post and timeline and tagging stories, location, face recognition, notification, mobile, public post, and everything are available in your Facebook account. So this is the simple steps to use Facebook account. Hope this video helped you to solve your problem of how to use Facebook. If you have any question, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.